Do you know how to protect yourself from a bank closure? Stay to the end of the video. I'll give you some tips and tricks. From time to time in the ATM business, you're going to hear about bank closures. It might even happen to you. How do you protect yourself? What do you do? So this is the video that we created to help you gauge how to protect yourself and keep your business running smoothly and not miss a beat. So point number one, be friendly with your bank. So when you're in the bank, I highly encourage you to maybe buy the people at the teller, maybe a little something at Christmas time, maybe Valentine's Day, throughout the year. Maybe that show your appreciation, how much you value being in business with them. Give little gifts to the ladies at the teller, maybe even the vice president or the president of the bank, to show them that, you know what, you value the relationship and you are happy with their services. This goes a long way from time to time in the banking industry. I've seen it work a million times. Point number two, always pick a smaller bank. The local banks are more hungry, they're more inclined to work with you in the community, so always try to pick a local bank. One of the other things you want to do is you want to establish yourself with the city council. You want to go to the city council, you want to let them know you're in the ATM business and you deal with the local bank. And you want to let them know about how that banking relationship is important to you in a local community. Every local community gives jurisdictions to the banks. So one of the things you also want to let your city council know is that you're in the ATM business and you value the relationship with the bank, and that some banks are closing people down, and you want to make sure that their responsibility to the local community is to make sure that there are banking relationships and banks for your banking needs. Just keep in mind the local city council keeps these banks held responsible, and so you want to let them know that you're in the industry and you're in the area, and let them know that you need that relationship. So if you're thinking about starting your own profitable ATM business but didn't know where to start, stay to the end of the video and I will show you our checklist entitled ATM Business Passive Income Checklist, the 5 things you need to know to start your profitable ATM business, so you can have a clear roadmap towards ATM business success. You can earn between $250 and $1,500 of passive income every single month. All right, let's get back to the video. Point number 3, get a backup bank. You got your one banking relationship. Please go and look for another bank, maybe in the area or somewhere close, just in case that first bank shuts you down. Keep in mind, if that bank does shut you down, always go to your city council, let them know that they're not helping you with your business and that they have a financial responsibility to the community, again, to help you. So please let your local city council know that this bank is not helping you in business, but always get a backup bank. Point number 4, always do outside business with the bank. Phil, what does that mean, outside business? Okay, you got your local checking account, you got your vault cash account with the bank, but maybe they offer a bank credit card that you want to get, or maybe you don't want to get it, but get it anyways because that shows them you're doing business. Maybe you need a car loan or a personal loan, or maybe you want to refinance your house. Go to the bank, try to encompass yourself in as many banking activities as you can with that bank, because that will show that you're interested in doing not just ATM business, but other business with the bank. This will help out your relationship and keep you entrenched with that bank. And point number 5, when you start the banking relationship, always be upfront with the bank and let them know that you're in the ATM business. Some banks don't want to do business with people in the ATM business. Always keep in mind, you can always go to your city council and let them know that that bank is not interested in doing to me. You'll be surprised how much power the city council has with that bank, but always remember to let them know up front that you're in the ATM business. All right, so if you're thinking about starting your own ATM business, I want to invite you to our free checklist entitled ATM Business Passive Income Checklist, the 5 things you need to know to start your profitable ATM business, so you can start earning passive income, make more money for your family, and spend more time with them also. If that sounds like something that's interesting to you, click the link down below and start your ATM journey today. Again, this is Phil from the ATM Mastermind group page, where we buy your freedom at one transaction at a time. Thank you guys for making us #1 on YouTube, and I'll see you over at the next ATM Mastermind video.